Hi everyone, I'm excited to share my journey of building a home lab right here in my house. Today we are diving into one of the most critical aspects of any lab setup, proper grounding. I'll explain why grounding matters, show you how to check using a multimeter, and highlight the benefits of using a star grounding setup for all your equipment. Let's get started. Building a home lab is both an exciting and challenging project. One of the key components of a safe electrical setup is proper grounding. Grounding connects your electrical system to the earth by using a grounding cable attached to a metal rod or a plate buried into the ground. This setup creates a safe pathway for any excess electrical energy, ensuring it's directed away from your equipment. So why grounding is essential? Grounding safely directs stray current into the earth. It minimizes the risk of surge damage and stabilizes the electrical environment. It prevents interference that can corrupt your data. Imagine running critical application or storing valuable data. Proper grounding is the key to keep everything stable and secure. To have a proper grounding, we have to check its continuity using a multimeter. First, you set your multimeter to continuity mode. If your meter lacks of a dedicated continuity setting, you can use a resistance mode, which is the ohm mode. A reading close to 0 ohm indicates a strong low resistance connection. For instance, a reading between 0 to 0.5 ohms is ideal. Anything significantly higher suggests a poor connection. So you need to know that while continuity tells that a connection exists, it's crucial to double check the exact resistance value using a home setting. This ensures that the connection is not just present but is high quality and low resistance. Bonding all panels together ensure that every part of the rack is at the same electrical potential. This minimizes the chance that a fault or a straight voltage will create a dangerous voltage difference between parts of the rack. A well-bonded chassis helps to reduce electromagnetic interference and the formation of grounding loops. Even though your equipment is already grounded, bonding all panels of your server rack creates a robust and uniform grounding system. I attach this cable from each panel to the main board, which is directly connected to the grounding from the socket. This method creates a star grounding configuration where every grounding path converges to a single center point. So what are the benefits of using a star grounding setup? By converging all connections to a single point, you eliminate voltage difference that can cause interference or even damage to your equipment. After installing the grounding cable and tidying up all the connection, I recheck with the multimeters, and every grounding point shows a near 0 ohm reading, about 0 to 0.2, which confirms solid and safe connection. My PDU is from LMS data. It's not just a regular power distribution unit. This ensures that any excess energies is safely dissipated and protect your equipment from unexpected spikes, reducing the likelihood of damage or data loss. This PDU includes a dedicated grounding option, which contributes to the overall grounding strategy by ensuring that every device connected is safely and effectively grounded. An integrated status LED provides an instant visual confirmation that the unit is properly grounded as well. Each outlet is designed with surge protection. If there is a power surge, the PDU absorbs and dissipates the excess energy. I hope this guide gives you the confidence to build a robust and safe lab environment. If you find this video helpful and have any question, please leave a comment below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth guide of building and maintaining your home lab.